TV. I watched TV, and then I took my dinner. After that, I slept.
What do you prefer doing in your free leisure time?
Okay.
Leisure time, free time, right? Unoccupied time.
Yes. In my free time, I like to do paintings. I like to do paintings, and I also like to read storybooks. Storybooks. That's it.
Tell me about your father. What does he do in free time? Like, does he listen to music, or like he dance something up and down, or he jump up and down? What does your father do in free time? Just kidding.
My my father
Just
do
kidding.
my father do my father do in free. My
My father,
father watch
my father does a lot of thing in free time. Oh, my father watches. Yes,
my father watches news in her free time.
in
In
his
his
free time.
free time. In his free time.
Only watching the news.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then definitely he is suffering from mental disorder, because what we watch in news channel nowadays, politics, fighting. Okay, just kidding. Anxiety, depression. Tell me about your mother. What does she do in free time?
Okay. My fa- my mother my mother uh, my mother do does lot of things in her free time. Uh,
You can use the word spare time. I'm sorry. You can use the word spare time instead of using free time, anytime. It's spare
okay.
time, unoccupied time, leisure
My
time.
mother usually spare time to talk with her mother.
Okay. I think you're lacking some particular word, lacking precision. Like I usually engage in a lot of activities. My father usually engages, my mother engages in activities, self ritual activities.